Many retailers and planners would like to know how large their trade area will need to be to support a site. DataFit is an easy way to know the answer. DataFit is a PCensus option that allows you to set a demographic threshold for your circles or drive times to create their sizes. Let's show you how to do that. All three versions of PCensus can use DataFit. In this first example, we will use PCensus for map point. We will start by going to the top of the screen and click on the new circle icon. This will activate the study area wizard. If we have an address, we will select address or location and then click next. Type in the address of your site and click Find for map point to search it and then click OK. At this point, we will now clear the existing circle range and click on the DataFit button. We can use any variable with a limit size to help us create our DataFit circle. In this case, we have here a custom population variable of age 35 and over. After selecting the variable, you would then set the threshold limit. In this example, we want a circle to capture 30,000 people who are 35 and over, plus or minus 10%. Then click OK. PCensus will then make several passes in the database to determine the best circle size for the threshold. Here it made 6 passes, and a circle size of 1.7 miles was found, with only a 3% difference. Let's repeat the process for a second circle. This time we will use a threshold value of 60,000. For this circle, it made 3 passes for a size of 2.4 miles, with a population difference of 4%. Now we will click Finish and then Search Now to obtain our complete demographic report. For this next example, we will use PCensus for map info. The red symbols on the map represent grocery store locations. We will select a group of them and determine their circle sizes by using DataFit. At this screen, we will choose the bottom option of Fit Circle to Data Value and then click Next. In the DataFit window, we will select the Total Population variable. One note about target type. The Search Target Type option need not be set to the smallest block unit. Depending on your database, you can decide to use larger geographies such as block groups or zip codes if you plan to use DataFit to help you build custom areas such as franchise territories. After clicking OK, we will set the threshold value of our circle to 30,000 and then click Next. For this window, we will leave all the options checked, which will give us a ranking report for each circle, a side-by-side column report for each circle, as well as the circle shape on the map. Clicking Begin will start the process, but we will move the window out of the way to see how DataFit is performing. For our selected stores, DataFit will expand and contract each circle many times until it determines the best circle size for our population threshold. You can see that not all sites are alike, reflecting the diversity of population sizes in the area. For the target list option, we will use an existing lifestyle of custom variables and then click Next. Choose row for each shape and click Finish and Search Now. The result is a target list ranking the circles by their population size, but they are roughly around 30,000 in total population as we planned. As we click on the Profile tab, we will also get our complete side-by-side report for the circles. For more information about PCensus or our other solutions, please contact Tetrad.